Hey y'all, welcome to Thrifty Tashi. Today my husband and I had a fun day of looking at model homes, and I just thought it'd be fun to share these videos with y'all as a series here on my channel. We love looking at model homes to get a lot of inspiration, and also we are thinking, God willing, to maybe building our home from the ground up. Who knows, right? So there's lots of inspiration here. Hopefully y'all are enjoying these videos, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if y'all stick around and subscribe and give this video some love. All right, so let's start with home tour number 1. Beautiful entryway to my left. This is a 4-bedroom. Oh, this is nice. The walk-in closet. Now this is a beautiful model. Oh, look at the accent of brick. You know I love brick. Remind me of Savannah. This is beautiful. And I love the bay window. I know that's extra. Okay, that's room number 1. But this could also be like a flex room too, right? And this is the bathroom. I love these full-size bathrooms. So this is the entryway. Look how nice and wide the entryway is.
That's nice.
I love the ceiling. It's not dramatic. It's not doing, you know, sometimes the ceiling have weird shapes. And, oh, no, this is the flex room. I never seen this layout. Wow, this is nice, Wayne. Now, this is the flex room. So the first room is a full bedroom because they have a closet. This is the office space. Wow. Yes, we have hurricane-proof windows. Living in South Florida. Okay. And to the right of the entryway, what do they call this area? The drop zone? where you drop your handbags and
What's this? A washer?
laundry room. I'll definitely be motivated to do laundry when it's laid out like that. And also a 2-car garage. Wow, that's a full garage. So this is the entryway. This is nice. I love the layout. Now this must be your favorite part. That's your favorite spot.
I don't know what this is.
The utility closet. Oh no, it's a storage.
Big space too. Wow.
Are you serious? It's like a whole, this is a storage closet?
Guess they think about storage too.
Wow. You can put more than just a vacuum. It's,
I feel like this area. This is really nice.
now this is the grand space.
You got a big kitchen. I know you love this kitchen.
Yeah, this is my kitchen. Okay, I'm getting excited. I will have to calm down. This is beautiful. Not because it's decorated. The layout is functional. I love this layout the best. It's cozy. Okay, I'm getting excited. Look at this kitchen, Wayne.
This thing is big.
You see this island?
This kitchen take up the whole.
This island.
I know.
I never thought an island could be this huge. That's the draw. Okay, there we go. Wow. But it still have a cozy feel because this is, we have to look at the paper. I don't know how many square feet this home is, but it's still spacious. This is beautiful. Family dinner area. It's nothing formal. I notice nowadays everything is one open space, right?
That's what it is.
Do you like that, or do you like separate spaces?
I like, the space in-
Because people can watch TV right there. Everybody can watch TV there. Then we can eat at the table. And of course, this model home have a pool, which we're not interested, but it is hot down here. It's a nice pool. All these homes they building. All right, we gotta go. We got a lot more model homes to look at. I love this model. This is like the best model home. What is this? Okay, look at this. Now this is a great overview.
Oh, that's us.
Wow. This is a pantry. Wow, this is an oversized pantry. This is a water in here. And no longer sitting our water out where people can see. You think other people do that? Put cases of water on the floor? And not, well, you know, I don't know. I love the double oven. Oh, this is the actual convection oven or microwave, and this is the oven. Lots of storage. Wow. Look how tall and deep these cabinets are. You see that? And I can store all of my coffee mugs since I love to collect them. And this will be my coffee area. This whole area will be designated for my coffee. Now this is beautiful. It's the family area. We have full size furniture. All right, not interested in that. Going to the right. This is a 2-bedroom. Oh, that's weird. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's just.
You got your gym shower.
I hate showers like this. I don't know why these new model homes.
Oh, this is up though. You don't like to step down.
I just don't like the
I
shower.
don't like how that's too short.
But I don't like the shower layout. To me, I could have had a soaking tub.
But that's, you know what, this could be changed.
That's cosmetic stuff. But the shower could have been cut in half, and then we could have had a tub. Like, this look like we're at the gym. But I love the countertops. Okay, what's over here? We got the potty room. And over here, we have more storage.
Closet stuff.
Huge
Hang up your clothes or whatever.
walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Huge walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Is there such thing as being too huge? I don't think so. All right, so that's pretty much the home. It's small, cozy. All right, let's continue on with house number 2.